Oh, hello, my fishies. Hello. Hello, my little fishies. Hello. Oh, yes, no. Oh, your mommy doing a little bit of food. It's you. The catfish is just gobbling it up. Yes, she's got. Now, can't you just see his mustache? Look at them gobbling it up. Okay. All of them gobbling it up. Like a goblin. Yeah. So look at them all gobbling. Plus Slimer has some. It's hello. Catfishy. Hello. I can actually see him. Check keys. So let's see. Oh, fishy. Oh, you see it. Oh, I do. They're so cute when they gobble it up. They're so cute when they do that. So darn cute. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could actually. Their mouths on. Oh, yeah, no, my little fishy. Wow, look at that. Where's Monty? Did she get any food? Where's Monty? Oh, she might be hiding in the. Oh, Monty, come up here. Come on. Come on. Here. Right here. Right here. Molly, here. Oh, is she actually eating some food like right there? No. She is actually. There's a catfish. Huh? He just went up. Just went up and then came down. The catfish here. He's a bottom feeder. He's a bottom feeder. He's a bottom feeder. Money eventually. It's got a notification from Vita. Vita is actually a free video on there. No, it has amazing effects as well. It's something more of a video maker as well. It's very good. It has like amazing effects. It's basically completely free to download and completely free to do. Wait, hello, my little fishies. No. Hi, yes, you got your friend. Wait, hello, my little two guppies. Oh, yeah. Looks like you eating more. Here it comes once again. They're trying to eat some of that food right now. Oh, yeah. Where's my snail? No, she might be hiding. Oh, the snail boy has to be somewhere. Oh, look at Aqua. Wow, I didn't even see. Hey, you're still there. No Aqua. No Aqua's in the camera. No Aqua. Hello. Hello, I remember. The first video of you. Probably. That's about a few months ago. And 2 or 3. Probably more than that, actually. Oh, yeah. My little babies. My little babies. About 2. So, no, about 3 months. I know. Hello. Hello. I see you back there, Money. Are you trying to eat that food? Yes, she's actually munching it up. Oh, look at Money. She's just dipping for it. She's just dipping. Wow. See that thing? This is actually food. Oh, there's Money around the corner. Yes, she did. Money loves her food. Oh, yeah. Hello, my thanks for all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and goodbye.